Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking to you about my aloe vera recipe. It's multi-purpose. I use it on my body, my face, and especially my hair. I got this huge aloe leaf from Giant and it was only $1.49. So I'm going to start by cutting the leaf. You need the sharpest knife possible, and this process does take a while and it's very messy, so make sure that you're patient. I cut them up into smaller sections just to make it a little bit easier, and then I just go ahead and cut out as much of the aloe vera as possible. When cutting the leaf, you want to be very careful that you do not cut yourself with the knife, but typically once you get the knife in the leaf and get it started, it usually glides through. You just really want to be careful that you don't cut yourself, but the knife is what works best for me. I've seen people scoop it out with the spoon, but that just takes entirely too much time. Next, you're going to need to mix everything up, and I'm using a Ninja blender. This blender is very strong, so if you don't want your stuff to be super thin, you might want to use a hand mixer. So this is how much aloe vera that I had by the time I was finished cutting it up. For all of the work you do, it really does not seem like a lot, but once you start to use it, you'll feel the benefits and it'll be okay. So instead of water, I use aloe vera juice just to kind of help the aloe vera to blend up easier. I don't want to use water because that'll dilute it. Next, I use extra dark Jamaican black castor oil. Everything is optional. Also, I use jojoba oil. That's my favorite. And then last, I'm just adding some vitamin E oil. Every oil that I chose has amazing benefits for your hair and your skin, and everything is up to you. So next, I just blend it all together using the slowest blend possible. So I did find that this time it was a lot runnier and thinner than the first time that I did it. So if you would like a thicker gel, I suggest using a hand mixer instead of a very strong blender. And this is what it came out to be after about an hour. It's a really great product, and I hope that you guys try it out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye guys.